How to import characters in DC Full Guide. Most people get this wrong by trying to drag files into the game folder randomly. The surprising truth is that DC has a specific process for importing characters safely. Start by locating your character file, usually in TAA or compatible format. Open DC and navigate to the Character Manager. Click the Import button and browse to the file location. You won't believe how many errors happen when files are placed in the wrong directory. Select the character and confirm the import. The game will validate the file and add it to your roster. Check that all stats, skins and equipment are intact. For multiplayer, ensure the character is enabled for online use. Some servers may block custom imports, so verify compatibility before joining games. In conclusion, importing characters in DC is safe and effective when using the Character Manager and following proper file placement. This method preserves all features and ensures smooth gameplay.